everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a language translator using Python, Gradio, and Hugging Face. So let's begin. First, log on to huggingface.co and create an account. After that, click on Spaces and create a new space. Give it a name. I'm naming mine Translator. Now select Gradio as the SDK space. Choose whether you want to keep your space public or private. I'm keeping it private for now. Then click on Create Space. You will be taken to this page. Now let's create the requirements.txt file. Click on Files, Add File and Create New File. For this project, you will be needing Gradio, Transformers, TensorFlow, LangDetect and Translate. Once you're done typing, click on Commit New File to Main. Next, click on the Apps section and scroll down to find the link to create the app file right in your browser. Click on that Create. Here comes the coding part. We start by importing the required Python libraries. We use Gradio for creating the user interface and the Translate library for the text translation task. We also define a dictionary called language map to map the language codes to their corresponding names. Like EN is mapped to English and so on. Then we create a list called target languages that contains the names of the target languages. This list will be used in the Gradio user interface to provide users with language options. Then we create a function called translate text, which takes two arguments, text and target language. It translates the given text into the specified target language. It performs a reverse lookup to obtain the language code corresponding to the target language. It then initializes a translator object with the two langs set to the obtained language code. The translate method is called on the translator object to translate the text into the target language, and thus the translation is returned. Then we create the Gradio interface named iFace using the gr.interface class. We specify the translate text function as the function to be called for translation. The inputs are defined as a text box for entering the text to be translated and a drop-down menu for selecting the target language. The output component is a text box that will display the translation result, and the interface is given the title language translator. And using the iFace.launch, we launch the Gradio interface, making the language translation application accessible through a web interface. Once you're done, check the code, and when you're ready, scroll down and click on Commit New File to Main. You will notice that your app has started building. Click on the Apps section to see the process. This may take a while. A little later, you will notice the state is changing from building to running. Your app is ready, and this is how it looks. You have a text box to enter the text, and you can select the target language from the drop-down menu you have created. The output is delivered within a few seconds, and that's how you can create a simple language translator. Feel free to make it better by optimizing the code or using a pre-trained model or adding more languages and so on. Hope you found this project interesting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DT's Learning Insights for more such videos. Stay tuned. Until then, it's me, Tanvita, signing off. Thanks for watching.